One more extra piece. And choices of 4 dipping sauces plus a gravy. So, just the dipping sauces and the tenders is $12. Another $5.75 for the gravy. I'm still in front. And I must admit, even Red Rooster's dearer. As I said, they've got 3 pieces for $9. I'm not big on KFC. And it's a bit spicy, though. There's a bit of spice with it. Pepper, I think. There. Well, I'm sure you don't want to sit there and watch me eating food, so I'll polish this off, and I'll come back to you and I'll give my overview, or my critique of this. So I'll be back. Well, for a person who's not real keen on KFC, they've done well. Certainly the 10 tenders were big. They're a little on the salty side. Well, it tastes a bit peppery more than anything else, but there was some sort of spice in the batter. 5 of which of those tenders went to my wife next door to me on the left-hand side, and I had the other 5. We had the 4 dipping sauces, of course. Got to have the 4 sauces, of course. And the gravy. Got to have your gravy. So, all in all, for a $70 meal, that's fantastic. My wife said that, she's not chock-a-block, but she's just right. I think that was just a nice light lunch. All in all, bonus getting all those extra sauces. I don't know whether the guy felt guilty because the guy's cut